My goodness. This is a mess, but I finally got my drawer organization for the kitchen, so I'm gonna organize a bit, and I wanted to take you guys with me for some organization. So let's go. I'm gonna start off with cleaning these first. Okay. Alright, so this is what I've got. I got the Joseph Drawer Store Compact 2-tier knife organizer. I'm going to leave all this linked down below if you want it. I got this everything organizer. Got this deep drawer bin. Pannier Profound? Yeah, whatever that says. And then I got this as well. So I'm going to clean them, and then I'm going to start putting them in the drawers. So the organization process has begun. Let's get it. I'm starting with the spans here, and then I'll come back. I think I might have fudged up already though, but we're going to talk about that later.
This is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it on.
So this is how it has ended up working out so far. Ugh. I almost feel like I can fit less things in here now, which is weird because that's not the point, but yeah, I ended up just using this in here instead of where it was. But yeah, it's weird. It's a weird situation. Guys, the mess that is my living room right now. Boxes everywhere, but really, I wanted to show you guys part of my alpha drawer set that came. I'm super excited to use this and build it. I think the last box with some of the other building stuff is coming. I think this is the top. These are the four runners, the small one stuff. I'm excited to see how I can figure out a way to use them all. To put my shirts in, I got a mesh divider for one of them, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how that works. We'll figure it out. And then I got a tie and belt thing for it. And then I got this as well. An accessory thing to put on the side. And there's like a lot of nails and things like that came with it. So I'll be waiting to build it. Hopefully soon. And I'm going to make sure there's nothing in these papers before I throw them away. So I'm going to be waiting for the next box to come so I can build it. I'm really excited to organize my shirts and things like that. I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm going to break down that box as well now. Okay, so this Container Store box just came, and this was dragging on the floor. I don't know how I feel about that because both the sides of the box basically opened up. I don't know how I feel. Should I be nitpicky or not? What do you guys think? So this is the super damaged one. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna get like this anyway when I use it, so I feel like I shouldn't be nitpicky. But like compared to this side, I don't know. Also, it didn't come with instructions, but it came with this, and then the smaller dividers for the top runner. I'm just wondering how I'm supposed to figure out how to put this together. LOL. Wish me luck.
Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive and we'll never turn our backs again.
like put pins in the backs, and I'm like, how do I know what's back and what's front?
One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
Here's my alpha set, and it's gonna go right in that space right here. Or at least that's the goal. I just feel like it gives me more space to put shirts and things. But yeah, I have these accessory baskets on the side. We'll see how that works out. Just as an update, I'm currently trying to Marie Kondo all of my shirts and stuff, and currently doing my crop tops and my bodysuits. It's already making me so happy. Like, oh, look at how stacked nice that is. Oh, now this stuff. Okay guys, I finished folding all my t-shirts and everything in here. Oof, I'm tired. I'm gonna clean that area back there and move my shelves in there, and then put all of these things in there. Alright guys, this is the current state of my closet. One slight problem: this doesn't close with this in it. Oops. I knew it was a possibility when I did it, but the amount of space I've gained is worth it, because I usually don't close my... As I was saying, the amount of space I've gained is kind of worth it. And if anything, if I have visitors or anything like that, I can move the drawer out of the way, move it into the living room or something, and just close the drawer so that the bed can go here. That's the only reason why I close it. Or if I'm filming or something, I can just move it out and close this and film. But the amount of space I've gained is insane. Like, okay, so top drawer, it just has all my like crop tops and bodysuits on this side, crop tops on that side, Marie Kondo style folds. And then here I have all my t-shirts. I have my like oversized t-shirts here, men's type shirts, and then I have normal like size t-shirts here, and then I have like my tank tops and like muscle tee type things after that, which is why I started with black again, so I would remember. And I still have a lot of space behind both of these, which y'all know what it looked like before. And then here I have sweaters and long sleeves. So I have long sleeve shirts here, and then I have these two Columbia like type polos that I'm keeping. I got them when I was working for the football team. I'm keeping them. And then I have all my sweater types here, like my turtlenecks and things like that I want to keep year round that aren't in storage. What? Those are here. And then I have all my like ballet clothing back here, like my tights and my leotards and things like that. And then I just have like one empty full runner, which I think to me is so worth what I'm losing and being able to close it, because I don't close it that often anyway. And then I have my Victoria's Secret thing here, because I don't know where to put it otherwise. And then I have a bunch of my scarves here. All my scarves actually are here. And bandanas and things like that. So yeah, I'm really thankful and kind of glad that I did this. And this is the alpha shelf. I'm gonna link it down below if it's something you're interested in. And JC also asked me how I keep it like this, organized like this. So I'm going to update you guys in as I go along and live with this, to show you guys how I keep this organized, or if I can keep it this organized. I guess we'll see. LOL. Spirit of organization, I want to show you guys. I used some of the organization little dividers in my underwear drawer. So I used this one in here to separate my underwear and organize that. It was a mess. I also organized my bra drawer. Legit found bras I haven't seen in ages, so I'm going to try and keep this organized, but who knows. And then I also organized my like winter accessories, my socks and stuff. I feel like there's a better way to do this. I haven't figured that out yet, but if you guys have a suggestion of a better way, let me know, because your girl's looking. Good morning, you guys. So I'm editing this video that you're watching now. This is December 6th, Fatima, and I thought it would be great if I could show you guys an update on how I've like managed to keep my organization the way it was in there, just to see like if it's been lived with. So I guess I'm gonna start off with the first thing, which is, you guys, I can actually close my closet, and I'll show you guys how I've managed to do that, because my alpha drawers are actually still in there. So we'll start there. Let's go. And the way I managed to do that is I just turned it to its side, and I took this like accessory out. It now has my steamer in it, another corset, and some of these bathing suits that I just got from Tropic of Sea that I will not be using, my tights for ballet, and also these shoulder pads that I'm not sure why I'm keeping, but I just love the pattern on these, so I feel like I'll maybe use them for something else in the future. Anyway, yeah, so it's turned on its side, so every time I want to get something, I just turn it out, which is super easy, you guys, super easy, and put it back in. And just as an update, I have managed to keep everything still Marie Kondo style, and what I do is just when I put things back, I just refold them the way they should be folded, because I'm kind of a sucker for organization. I'm a little, I don't know, a little anal, honestly, a little OCD, so yeah. Just put everything back the way it's supposed to. I'm pretty decent at it. And then for this bottom one, I want you guys to know that I put all the stuff that I need to get altered and tailored, essentially from like my vintage shopping and thrift shopping and things like that I need to get taken in and, you know, just changed. So I'm probably going to do a video on how I alter my thrifted stuff and things like that, which I have to add one more dress, this dress in here, because I need to get that taken in and shortened a little bit. It's this dress from Rat and Boa, you guys. When I get it done, I'll show it to you. It's so beautiful. Ugh, it's very sexy. But yeah, so that's how that goes. And then whenever I want to, I just push it back in, and it's great. So that's currently how my closet looks. And I love it. It's very livable, which I'm very happy about. Also wanted to show you guys an update of my underwear drawer. This is a little personal, but yeah, I still fold all my underwear, and it's great. Highly recommend it. Also, my bra drawer is still organized. I have my bras, and I've been now wearing all of them, so that's great. And I have like my accessories like tape, double-sided tape, you know, nipple covers, and a sewing kit. So wonderful. And then also in the bottom drawer, we're still living within that organization, so, you know, still looking for thoughts if you guys want to share any on how to make this better. You guys, in the kitchen, other than getting this new knife set that we don't use because they're super sharp, I have been living, ooh, there we go, snafu. Basically, we've been living with these drawers the way they were. I put stuff back there. A lot of my baking stuff that I don't use regularly is back there. And I like this. This has been working well. This is here. Great. Also, I took out the knife thing here and put it up there because we don't need it. And this has been working really, really well. Super helpful. And some of our knives are here that we use on a regular basis. So, yeah. And then my oven mitt that I loathe. And then this has still been like super helpful and working here because we leave our spare key, tape measure. So yeah, I love it. I'm really glad that I did that. So yeah, that's the update on living with those organization pieces from the Container Store. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope it gave you ideas on how to essentially sort of organize small spaces, especially in New York City, and best optimize use of your space. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like and hit the notification button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sending you guys lots of love, laughter, and positivity because you absolutely deserve it. I'll see you guys. Bye.
I'm in love with your body.